In this TeamWork 5 employee tutorial, I'm going to show you how to volunteer for an availability schedule. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on Availability. Once you arrive at your availability calendar, go to your new top menu bar and click on Volunteer. You should now arrive at your volunteer page. Before you do anything, make sure you're at the correct location by going to the top of your chart and clicking the drop-down arrow and selecting the location from this list that you would like to volunteer for. I'm going to leave it at after hours. Then you will be able to see a list of the upcoming schedules that you can volunteer for. You should see the schedule's name, the start date, the end date, whether or not you have already agreed to volunteer, and an actions column. To change your volunteer status, click Open under Actions. Let's say I want to volunteer for summer coverage. Then you will see a pop-up window. You can see the name of the schedule, the start and end dates, and a volunteer option. You cannot change anything other than your volunteer status. If I want to volunteer for this schedule, I will choose Yes from this drop-down menu. If I don't like this change, I would choose Close. I do, so I'm going to click Save. And now notice that my volunteer status has changed from No to Yes. If I want to change it from Yes to No, I can do the same thing. So let's say that I want to change the earlier one, full-time employees, to No. I'll click Open, choose from my drop-down menu No, and then select Save. And now that option has been changed to No. That's how you can volunteer for a schedule set by your manager. To learn more about your TeamWork 5 account, check out the next video.